The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Take kumki kaliram, hagador kubajam, taksao point rewlak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Umentri rangba kajala ukonrat ke sangma ha ka apsab lek unailar aja apn rew ula pentep ba pratli kali kibadan ya registration number jong kajala Assam kidei kibla Shah Pynjulor nalor kilai pui tili kali jong kasokar jala ha ka Sngi rally rat lamayong jong ka issue kabala long ha ka khat khandai trek unailar aja apn rew hanong ba shlong ha ka je kren ba kilat pathai kubor umentri rangba ulai thu ba ha kan ke jing rally jong ka issue kidan pat sakhat prangut ki brew kibla Mynsaw naga jing Shah takti ba ya kini la penket no Shillong Civil Hospital banyo ya ka jing sumar shosho ulayat ho ba sarkar jala ka thaw ya ka special investigation team ban itho ya ki runar ki badan kti ha kin ki jingja khamtam ki brew ki badan kti ban Pynjulor ya ki kali ki badan ya registration number jong ka jala Assam khanang banyo pangat ya ki hapo ki kendon jong ka an.
Or my message and the government's message to the citizen is that whatever happened was very, very unfortunate. And there are people who try to create fear in the system and in the society. And we will not leave those people. We're going to take very, very strong action against those people who have tried to create that fear. And our citizens should not be worried. Yes, there was certain inconvenience that was caused. We do agree to that because of the reaction that we saw from our neighboring state, and then that had to be again controlled and discussed and negotiated. But now that we have got all of that behind us, I think we should move in a positive manner. We should definitely, all of us should learn, in fact, not just the government, but all of us, including from organizations, associations, and different stakeholders, and ensure that whatever steps can be taken in the future to ensure that while we have the right to have peaceful protest, it does not mean that you can take the law in your hand, and especially it does not mean that you can do anything that you want, and especially beating up and harming innocent people. So that's something, a strong message must go from all of us. And it's very important, and I've been sharing with everybody, that society must also at one point in time must come out regarding this. As I said, we have been one of the most open governments. When it comes to any issue, we have been very open to discuss with the issues. When it comes to any kind of talks and discussions that are there, we have always been open to talks and discussions. But as I said, there's a line that we have to draw, and one cannot cross the line. And that is the message that we have for everybody, that please don't try to do that. And if anybody does, then we will have to take action as below.
Iperti yang tau ke Iwan, kuwi ko prom kwa akhnai pi.
Iwan,ไปคอนแรมกว่าลายสกอมคันตอมฉันแน่พลังนี่ทำเป็นบทเองกินหลักพา
บนเส้นกิบรุงจุกลีพาเกียงตั้งกี่ขมัดพร้อมชนะยี่หยอกพยได้
กองอีวันอ่องเราเองก็เป็นผู้สู้ยากระมอต่อระบุนรายกระเต็มเอเจอร์ดีพี่ก็กองนั่นน่ะ
อยากคิดวิวงานนี่นะมาแม่คิดวิ่งมาวันนี้ทำมันแอมยาวฮะ
แม่สเตลงามสร้างเกี่ยวแบบเก่า
Tapi ni pergi yang pergi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bawa cina bawa sains suruh.
Nak kuat ayah malai.
Tahu hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa. Hikai gua nongkong daga simple design gua ar. Dah hikai segi design mana je dia kan ya simple design.
Segini ke cek tu ram sorkar mah.
Kamu pada terang ngadu mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuat.